fintech is just a loosely used term, but it actually means financial technology. It's just a short form for financial technology. And this is literally any services provided to businesses and individuals through technology platforms. So that covers all aspects of payment platforms. It covers applications for making your bill payments or any other. And if you're a business, it also covers platforms that enable you to collect payments, among other things. So financial services that are digital also fall under financial technology. So fintech is really a very large, all-encompassing term to refer to financial services provided over technologies. At Center, we are a business-to-business platform, so we support businesses only. And we support small and medium-sized businesses as well as enterprises. And the problem really is that most of these businesses have many minute and small payments that they make, but it's very hard for them to keep track of all their payments, to keep a receipt and the invoice and the payment itself, who initiated it, who approved it. To get it all at once in one place is currently difficult, because if you do it in a bank, your accounting platform is where the transaction is, then you made it in the bank, and when it comes to time for audit, you spend 60 days just trying to put out all that together. So what Center does is that it enables businesses to be more financially organized. So we help businesses manage their financial operations and also make their payments. So in the platform, you can initiate a transaction, and then you approve, someone else approves it, and then someone else reviews it, and you attach the receipt, you attach the invoice, and the recipient receives their money directly from one single platform. So that's what we really do for these businesses. And we have been able to support this across a multitude of such businesses, of sizable businesses, including National Social Security Fund of Uganda, MultiChoice Uganda, Asili, Agromax in the agricultural value chain, and many others. Bookkeeping is definitely a big problem. And usually, if you're not a business that is audited, or you don't care about bookkeeping, but yet it impacts you as a business. You make less profit because you don't know exactly how much you're spending, you don't know exactly how much is made, you don't know who took money from the drawer, who took cash from the counter, you have no clue because you don't have visibility. Now, a digital platform like ours now pushes you to make sure you're making all your payments digitally. If someone delivers bananas, you can pay them from the platform, and then you can come back 6 months from now and go like, oh, on this day, on Monday, I paid Jessica for bananas worth 20,000, and it will be in there. And when someone pays you, they can also pay you, and you see your money appearing in the platform, on your app, on your mobile phone. And so just that alone will give you so much more financial power over your business and really solve that bookkeeping gap, which is the key that unlocks financial progress. So basically, any business that has their operations spread across the country or across Africa, those are the kind of businesses we support. So when you have at least 5 to 10 people in your organization, they need transport, they need facilitation, they need airtime. You probably have an office and you need to pay the Yaka bill, you need to pay the water bill. So in one platform, you can make all those payments and keep track of all of them. So any business that has any routine, sizable operations and also has multiple branches that they have to go, you have to track your expenses happening in the Gulu branch or the Kenya branch or the Rwanda branch in one single place. Your head office can have a very clear view of all the transactions happening in there. So we are working on a platform called Center Lite, and so that is supposed to be for the micro enterprises. Those are the smaller businesses that are really down, the ones that serve these other customers that we serve at the top. So think, for example, the farmers that are down deep in the island, who get their coffee and package it and sell it to a larger coffee producer who then exports it. We want to support those guys to be able to use USSD or WhatsApp and be able to track their invoices. I made a payment, I made a delivery. When is my payment coming? And they can be able to see and track, have their financial history in one place. But most importantly, this helps them finally get included in the financial visibility space. Financial history. Someone can see you sold 20 kilos last week, 10 kilos this week of coffee, and you have nice trackable financial history. And so they get included in the credit space finally, and they get access to to facilities that can help them grow their businesses, expand, and also improve their gross profit. So in a way, we are leveraging the businesses that we already support and the value chain that they have below, and trying to trickle down that value to the last mile.